only a couple of weeks left to pack your shoebox. They need to be in by Sunday the 17th of November, when we'll be finding out more about Operation Christmas Child and praying for the boxes. So pick up a leaflet for more info, or get your shoebox from the foyer, or you could even pack a shoebox online. Just head to our website for more details.
Can rush from the sunrise till dusk of the night sky and not see the beauty in both. Slow down.
The Together 24 event is happening again this year, where the Love Black Country group are getting all churches together for this big event. It's going to be happening on Saturday the 16th of November at the Bethel Convention Centre. So you can come along at 4 p.m. for some entertainment, market stalls and some street food. We love a bit of street food. And then it will be followed by a main worship event at 5 p.m. So make sure you come along for that. More details are on our website, so check it out.
Pass you by. Whoa, don't let it pass you by. No problem. Pass you by. Whoa, don't let it pass you by. There's no time to wait.
Ladies, we've got another hangout coming up. We've got another meeting happening, and it's going to be on the 23rd of November. So mark that in your diaries and come along together as women, where it's going to be a time of testimonies. So we're going to be hearing people's stories, and we'd love for you to be there for that event.
Don't let it pass you by. No, slow down. Yeah.
So guys, that's all for XL News, but don't forget to check in with your Connect groups this week, because they're all going to be meeting. Have a great week.